nasa 481 million yung damage. Ang isang naging positive na side nito, yung tinignan namin sa satellite image through the prism ng PhilRise, nasa 51,000 before dumating si Julian, 51,000 hectares yung area at risk. So, nung makita natin ito, we advise the farmers, especially rito sa Cagayan Valley, Ilocos Norte, hanggang dito sa may Cordillera, and about 44,000 hectares were harvested early on, bago pa dumating si Julian, and yung natira na 7,000, these are the areas na nasa reproductive stage at hindi pa pwedeng anihin. So, malaki pa rin yung ating na-save, bagamat may mga area pa rin na losses, but still, within the projected damage natin and will not cause significant parang concern for increases sa mga presyo, lalo na sa